Samsung has rolled out a new One UI 8 5 beta update for the Galaxy S25 lineup, which includes the S25, S25, and S25 Ultra. This is the second beta release since the One UI 8 5 beta program began on December 8. The latest update is currently available in India and Poland and is expected to reach Germany, the UK, and the USA soon. The second beta comes with firmware version ending in ZYLH and has a download size of about 1 GB. It mainly focuses on improving stability, fixing bugs, and enhancing performance for users who installed the first beta update. If you're already part of the beta program, you can download this update directly from your phone by going to Settings, then Software Update. This update addresses a variety of issues from the first beta. One key improvement is the Quick Panel settings, which now initialize more reliably when the phone boots. Icon spacing and placement in the Quick Panel menu screen have also been corrected, making the interface cleaner and easier to use. For the Gallery app, photos organized in group folders are no longer moved to the first album page, which should make it easier to keep your photos in order. During calls, the stuttering issue when pressing the More View menu has been fixed, improving the overall calling experience. The update also resolves intermittent rebooting problems that affected some devices, ensuring smoother operation. Volume controls have been improved as well. The volume up button now works consistently under all conditions. Additionally, sound issues during calls when using a Bluetooth car kit have been addressed, which should make hands-free calling more reliable. The beta also tackles problems with third-party apps. Instances where multiple apps were forcibly closed while in use have been resolved. The camera and other system apps have received software updates to stabilize their performance and improve overall reliability. Samsung has indicated that the One UI 8 5 beta program could include at least 4 beta updates before the stable version is released, likely in early 2026. While the Galaxy S25 series will receive this update as part of the beta program, the upcoming Galaxy S26 series will launch with One UI 8 5 out of the box. Some features in the S26 lineup are expected to be exclusive and may not be available on older devices. Overall, this second beta update shows Samsung's commitment to refining the user experience before the full stable release. With improvements to the Quick Panel, Gallery, call performance, volume controls, and app stability, the Galaxy S25 lineup is getting closer to a smoother and more reliable One UI 8 5 experience. If you're part of the beta program, installing this update should help fix many of the issues from the first beta and make your phone feel more polished. Users who haven't joined the beta yet can expect a stable One UI 8 5 release sometime next year, bringing improved performance and new features to the Galaxy S25 series. In short, the One UI 8 5 beta is shaping up to be a solid update, and Samsung seems focused on ironing out bugs before the official release. With at least a few more beta updates expected, the stable version should offer a reliable and refined experience for all Galaxy S25 users.